guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to solve X or Twitter playback error. So let's get started. So you are facing playback error in your X or Twitter application and you want to fix it. So to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply head over to your Twitter application and then tap and hold on your Twitter and then tap on the eye icon. After tapping on the eye icon, from here you just have to tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache. After clearing your cache, you will fix any issues or bugs that you are facing with your Twitter application. And after doing this, just simply come back, and after coming back, now what you have to do is just check if that fixed your problem. But if that didn't fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and in search bar you have to search for X, or you can also search for Twitter. You will find the same application, and from here you just have to check if you have an updated version of Twitter. So if you don't have that, then what you can do is just simply go ahead and update your Twitter, and it should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to solve X or Twitter playback error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.